What? Mamma mia! Hello YouTube, it's your boy Gimmick Doodle, and today, my friends, welcome to Yo, really thought. Yo, Corey, take it away.
You thought that was it? Okay, let's get back to Resident
Evil. As you guys can see on the screen, we're gonna be playing some Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. That sounded a lot cooler in my head. To be honest, I don't got much to say, so enough talk. Let's get this freaking game started.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything.
The animation's heckin' good though, and the quality.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different.
My guy, you're not gonna forget all that. You're gonna remember that, even in your afterlife. Sorry to break it to you. Straight in the game. Chapter 1. That's it. It's Chapter 1. One thing about Resident Evil games, you can never let your guard down, because I swear, zombies be popping out. Oh heck. Yeah, let's walk away from that. Like, I probably shouldn't be running this fast. I should be taking my time, but whoa. Nice digs. Has a massive hole in it, but it works. Hello? Anyone home? Anyone? Hello? Mario? Mario? This ain't no Luigi's Mansion and shit. We can't even pull our gun out though. Like, we have our gun right next to us, but we couldn't pull it out. Like, 5 minutes into recording, I am not trying to die right now. Oh my goodness. Oh! My dear sir.
Sorry to barge in like this.
But you just broke into the house. What do you mean? You don't even got a warrant on you, my guy.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
See, like, what you looking at, Leon? And don't tell me this guy cooked him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kick his freaking butt, Liam. Kick his butt. Ow. My neck. Wow. Alright, so we're not the only ones in here then, okay. But dang no.
This is not good.
Where's the dent on the wall? Snap this neck clean. Alright, so we need this hunter's wild. We need this key to open something. That's the badge we found, so we don't need that no more. Oh, this is a door we can open. So far, this is pretty easy, I'm not gonna lie. I thought you gotta walk around and do more stuff, but we gotta do a... I think not. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, check our surroundings. Okay. Where's the Ghostbusters when you need them? Like, is that a bird? Okay, the radio's going off, so you might... Yeah, I don't think he's alive. What we're looking for probably is dead now. Not trying to be negative, but it's like, in the Resident Evil franchise, there's like a 5% chance you making it out alive.
Hey.
Oh yeah, he done. They got him.
situation?
Oh yeah, that guy in the radio, he's done too. He done. Y'all messed up. Y'all done.
What the hell's going on?
Hey! Oh. That just see me. I'm about to say. Alright, so I guess we gotta get up out of here now,
What was
so
that?
that's all good. Oh! Oh! No!
Fucking
No! Stop! Done messed up!
This just keeps getting worse.
Run. Run! Ah! No, 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 hit his door, gotta go. I only got one bullet. I can't do nothing. Bro, what are you doing? Look at these photos. What?
Bruce, this is Gondor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Bro, if you don't call for a backup...
It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Oh,
Gotta go.
what is
Stop
this?
later.
Here's Johnny!
I'll let myself out.
Ooh, that man did. Alan should be reposed too. We're done? Like, we're good? No more people? Okay. What? What? Ah! Ah! Whoa! Run, run, run. Bah, bah! Down! Down! No! Crouch. Come here. Ah. You done messed up. Now, whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. One Unami! Oh, you got no head. That's messed up. You got no head. You're not even human. Get your legs. Okay, what do you got? Ooh, more ammo. Alright, okay. Is that it? Those were our cop buddies.
Holy shit.
I don't think she's gonna bother.
Pero no te puedes esconder. Ahí está.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Give me a break already.
Fight them. What the? Ah! No, 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 no. Break free, break free, break free. I'm out. Get your butt on the ground. I'm out of here. Get your butt up out of here. Oh, what the? Headshot. Get down. Don't mess with me. Ow. Ow. I'm sorry. Oh, don't mess with the lady. I'm low on health. Get him! Not you, Leon! Get off me! Get off! Bah! Get off! Get him! Get him! Hey! Ah! Ah! Y'all think y'all can kill me? You know who I am? Nope. Y'all ain't doing jack. Get off me. Hold on. No. 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 Y'all think y'all can kill me? Get up. Get your butt off me. Get off. Oh, back up. Come on. Come on. Show me what you freaking got. Your chainsaw don't scare me. Oh! Go to sleep. Take your pills. Go to sleep and count the sheep. You think you can't touch me? You can't touch this. Ooh. Don't kill me yet. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh. Mamma mia! Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video of me playing Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty fun. It was very stressful because I saw there was like a mob on me. If I had more weapons like explosives, like y'all seen when I did those 3 villagers over there, right? Dang, the way the guy with the chainsaw finished me off, I'm not even mad about that. That was pretty good. Dang, I'm stuttering. Otherwise than that, hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.